Birthday cake for Grumples! If you don't have brown rice flour or do not want your dogs to have grains, you could probably get away with using coconut flour as a replacement. If the batter is too dry, just add some more peanut butter, and if it's a bit liquidy, add a little bit more flour. The cool thing about this dough is you don't have to make a giant bone. You can actually use a roller and roll it out on the counter and use the little cookie cutters to make individual dog treats. Ooh, yummy. You can add toppings or you can leave the tree as is, but we added a little bit of whipped cream, some bacon, peas, and of course, birthday sprinkles. Look how good this cake turned out! Woohoo!
Selfie joke.
$35 per person. Take a culinary road trip with Queen Suites. Shop the restaurant. Reservations now.
Are we at Grandma's? Huh? What was I? Are we at Grandma's? Hello. Say hello. Welcome to Grandma's.
Hey, Carl.
What you got cooking, Mom? Yum.
They're so excited. They're so excited.
Ooh. Oh, you got a flip pancake. Got a flip pancake. Got it for you.
Thank you, Carol.
You're welcome. Came perfect timing. You guys want to go outside? Come on.
Hey!
Hey.
boys.
Let's go.
See, I need a spatula.
Come on. Oh, ready? Look at it. Oh, good try.
Make your pancakes. These look really good.
Who is that? What do we got going on over here, Dad?
Well, it's a little bit of onions, a little bit of peppers, a little bit of sweet potatoes, nut peppers, green peppers.
Grumples, what is that? That's for you. Grumples, look at that. Look at Grumples. He's really looking. Look at.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Grump's birthday, dear Grumples. Happy birthday. it's your birthday! You guys laying with Grandma?
Told you I was gonna come back and win.
Look at
Ready?
Grumps.
Let's do it.
I don't know if you can get Mom up off this blanket. She's in her happy place. Go get her. Look at her.